welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're getting into something maybe more important than you think, your shower. Specifically, why prompt repairs and just, regular upkeep matter so much. We're drawing heavily on some great insights from Pacific Blue Mechanical, particularly their piece, Shower Repair Services in Abbotsford, Expert Solutions. And our goal here is pretty simple. Show you how fixing that small drip isn't just about the drip. It's about your home, your health, and even your wallet.
It really is. It's amazing how something small, like a tiny leak, can spiral. People often ignore it. But delaying shower repairs, that can be seriously risky. We're talking about potential extensive water damage. That little shower leak gets behind tiles, into walls. It can cause mold growth, sure, but also rotwood, damaged drywall, undermine the actual structure. What starts as maybe a minor annoyance, a small drip, can easily turn into, thousands of dollars in repairs.
Okay, thousands. That's significant. And it's not just the structural stuff or the repair bills, is it? You mentioned mold. What are the health angles here? Because that hidden water damage, that dampness, it can't be good for you.
Exactly. It's a major concern. That extended exposure to mold and mildew, which just love those damp, dark spaces behind your shower walls, it can definitely trigger respiratory problems, allergies too, and sometimes even things people don't connect, like maybe worsening skin conditions or even fatigue. So yeah, fixing leaks is also about creating a healthier space to live in.
Right, got it. So prevention is key. Moving from just reacting to being more proactive. What are the things people should actively look for, the warning signs, if you will?
Yeah, consistent maintenance is your best friend here. You want to look for obvious things first, like visible leaks, any water pooling around the shower base after you've used it. Also, check if the drain is slow or clogged. That's a big one. Look closely at the tiles, any new cracks or chips, or maybe water stains appearing on the ceiling below or walls nearby. These are all signals. Catching them early saves money, extends the shower's life, keeps it looking good, and frankly, avoids those huge repair bills later. And, a nice, well-maintained bathroom definitely helps if you ever decide to sell. Adds real value.
That makes sense. Okay, so if you spot a problem, you need help. Now, does it matter who you call? Pacific Blue Mechanical's resource highlights local expertise in Abbotsford. Is there really an advantage to going local for something like shower repair?
Oh, absolutely. There are huge advantages. Think about it. A local Abbotsford company, they're not just plumbers. They know this area. They understand the specific challenges here. Maybe it's common types of plumbing setups in older Abbotsford homes, or issues related to our local climate, like hard water buildup, maybe. That localized knowledge. It means they can offer solutions that are actually tailored to what you're likely facing, not just a generic fix. Plus, when you've got water leaking, you want someone fast, right? Local means quicker response time. And, supporting local businesses helps the community's economy. It's a good cycle.
Faster service, tailored solutions, community support. Okay, that paints a clear picture. So let's bring it all together. For you listening, what's the long-term payoff here? What are the big ripple effects of keeping your shower in good shape?
Well, first, as we touched on, it protects and even enhances your property value. A well-maintained shower is a selling point, not a red flag. It's a smart investment in your home. Then there are those crucial health benefits, preventing mold, mildew, just fostering a genuinely healthier environment for your family. That's invaluable. And finally, the money. You get substantial long-term savings by avoiding those massive repair jobs. Plus, if you update fixtures during a repair, you might even get more energy-efficient ones, potentially lowering utility bills a bit too.
So this deep dive, really informed by sources like Pacific Blue Mechanical, shows that dealing with shower issues quickly isn't just maintenance. It's really a strategic move for your home's value, your family's well-being, and your financial stability.
Exactly. Which kind of leads to a question for you to think about. What small thing in your home, maybe something you've been ignoring, could actually be a sign of a bigger underlying problem? And how can what we talked about today help you tackle it before it gets out of hand?
Something to definitely consider. Applying that proactive mindset can make a real difference across your entire home. Thanks for diving deep with us today.